Welcome. If you're looking to update the name of your space on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, changing your space's name is now quicker and more intuitive than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to give your space a fresh new identity. First, open your preferred browser and head straight to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your spaces and features seamlessly. Once you're on the X homepage, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Spaces icon. Click on it, and a list of your active and recent spaces will appear. Select the space you want to rename. This will open up the Spaces main window, where you can see all the details and participants. At the top of your space window, you'll notice an edit icon, usually represented by a small pencil or similar symbol. Click on this edit icon to enter the editing mode for your space. This is where you can change the space's name to something more fitting, whether you're rebranding, updating the topic, or just want a new vibe. Type in your new space name. Make sure it's clear, catchy, and represents what your space is all about. Once you're happy with the new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard. The change will be saved instantly, and everyone in your space will see the updated name right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed your space's name on X using your PC. This quick update helps keep your space relevant and engaging for your audience, and you can repeat these steps anytime you want a fresh start. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand navigating the new X features. Stay tuned for more tips and updates to make the most of your experience on X.